Meet Adelaide's air conditioning experts. At REQ, we understand that a cold home isn't just uncomfortable, it's unbearable. When winter chill sets in, you need a heating system you can count on. Is your heating system struggling to keep up, constantly cycling on and off, or worse, not working at all? You're not alone. As your local heating and cooling specialist, REQ offers complete winter comfort solutions for commercial, industrial, and domestic systems. Our experienced technicians respond within the same day during business hours, bringing reliable solutions that fit your lifestyle and budget. We don't just patch problems, we solve them at the source, ensuring your home stays consistently warm throughout winter's coldest days. Don't suffer through another freezing night. Call REQ today and experience the warmth